Hello, today we're gonna be merging all these parts, but as you can see I already have the hands. I decided not to make a hand sculpting tutorial because they're very complicated and I don't think that beginners would be enjoying it. So I'm giving away for free these hands on my gumroad. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, as well as the same download gonna have the hands, this body, and this head. So you can download everything if you want, but I really advise you to try to sculpt them on your own. What you can do is download them and have them as your reference for your sculpting. But please try to sculpt them on your own, even if you download them, okay? So we'll be joining today all these things. I'm just gonna turn on the screencast keys. What first thing to do is check that they don't have modifiers. I see they don't have any modifiers. I don't need to apply anything. I'm gonna select the body and the hand. Press Ctrl J to join them. Do the same now with the head. Don't forget not to join the eyes. Have them as the separate object. Now I'm gonna just save the project in case it crashes. Go into sculpting mode. For joining the things, we're gonna need quite a lot of resolution, so that might be a bit laggy for your computer. I'm gonna go for 0.085. You can try to copy, but if your object scale is different, you're gonna have a different result. So just be careful on how much resolution you're adding. I'm gonna press Ctrl R and get this kind of result. A bit more than a 500,000 on polys. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of artifacts on the head. That's usually where we're gonna be lacking most of the vertices, same as the hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what tools I'm using on the side. And now I'm smoothing. We're gonna be using a lot of smooth brush for drawing these parts. As you can see, some artifacts in the close positions, as well as the wrist. Now we're gonna be adding a few shapes to the wrist. Third thing, let me just add an annotation. First thing is having your wrist shape like this. It's fine, just maybe not as extreme. So yeah, we're not gonna smooth out completely everything from this side, but we definitely need to work on the bottom side to have it a bit slimmer. Now we should add a few bony marks. Where's the annotation? The bony marks are on two places, of course, because of your bone. One is here, another one is here. You can see better from this side. So this side where is your thumb is a bit more inwards, and where is your pinky side, it's outwards. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, strips. So yeah, where's the pinky? I'm gonna put the bone facing a bit more to this direction. And where the thumb is, more to this inward direction of the wrist. Now let's see how the hand is shaped. See that maybe the bump is a bit too high. Just gonna be smoothing because it's a female. Females have a smoother shapes. So we have the hand set up in the place. They're a bit lacking resolution, but it's okay, they still look pretty good. The armpits can use some crease brush. Crease, smooth, and of course the neck and the face. As you can see, the lips got a lot of artifacts. I'm just gonna go with a very small brush and smooth it, and now use crease brush and shape that crevice. So it looks better. I'm gonna use a bit of smooth brush in this place as well, not too much. And the same goes to the ear. Just a very soft touch of smooth and creasing. Same behind the ear. Now I just don't really like the shape of the neck, so I'm gonna crease this bottom part. Okay, smooth. I'm gonna add a bit more curvature to the neck. This one closer. Smooth. And yeah, pretty quick and easy joining of the meshes. So we have everything joined. Next we can just retopologize and we're gonna be almost done with it. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next time.